Hi guys! This is just a quick sharing about my experience sa Tala app. I used Tala before for small loans and honestly, okay naman siya noon. The process was smooth and the interest rate was reasonable. Pero recently, I stopped using it. Napansin ko kasi ang taas na ng interest. Mas mataas na compared before. So I just left the app installed on my phone. Hindi ko nga siya ginagamit. Then one day, nakareceive ako ng text message saying that someone attempted to change my PIN. Siyempre, naka-alarma talaga yon. So I opened the app, pero hindi ko na ma-access. Apparently, nag-update na pala sila ng system and now you need Viber to open the account. Medyo weird na for me, so I got worried. While searching online, I found a blogger who said her Tala account was used by someone else to get a loan. She emailed support but in the end, na-block daw ang account niya and she could no longer use it. So, syempre, na-worry ako lalo. I tried to contact Tala support. Ang tagal ko pang nahanap kung saan mag-email. Finally, I found a link to deactivate my account. I followed all instructions, sent my ID, picture, answered the questions, pero hanggang ngayon walang malinaw na response. I even tried 2 to 3 times and they just kept sending me the same link over and over again. So right now, I can honestly say I find their system unreliable. Nakakadismaya kasi hindi na ganun kabilis or responsive like before. If you're planning to use the Tala app, please be mindful and think twice. Always protect your personal info and check kung safe pa talaga gamitin ang mga ganitong app, loan app. Stay safe everyone and always be wise in handling your online accounts and finances. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on my next vlog.